What's going on today? We're doing the mukbang for I guess McDonald's slash interviewing Chris. We're gonna ask some questions, and first and foremost, my shirt is wrinkled, so don't kill me in the comments. All right, let's get started. Chris, you ready?
Yes. All right. I wanted to open it.
While you're opening this, Chris, you gotta tell everybody what we have in here.
French fries.
No, you gotta take it out. Let's take it out. Got a Big Mac. What's next? 10-piece chicken nuggets. What's next? What's this?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets again.
And French fries.
And French fries.
And a lot of barbecue sauces.
And a lot of barbecue sauces. What we gonna do? What we do with this?
It's like barbecue sauces flying from the sky.
Alright, ready? So this is what you do with that one. Alright, so here we go.
I love it.
Yeah. Now here we go. Chris, your first question. I'm gonna hit you with your first question. You ready? Alright. Oh, you like your hat? You good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, your first question. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. First question is, would you like a brother or a sister? Tell them. A brother or a sister? Which one you want?
This is
Sister? Ooh.
our brother.
Or a brother? You don't care? You do? Okay.
I don't.
No. Next questions. Next question. Do you want to move to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Yes?
Look.
Why?
Who's this?
Why?
Because it's my birthday in
Tell
Hawaii.
them. Tell them why.
Because my birthday is in Hawaii.
Your birthday was in Hawaii. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's going to be linked up somewhere over here somewhere. What else? What do you think? You don't know why you want to move?
Mm-hmm.
How about the beaches?
Because we never go to the beach before. What?
We never go because there's no beaches out here.
What?
We're in Las Vegas, no beaches. All right, next one. Next question. Would you rather?
What?
Would you rather, listen to this, eat a bee? No. Get stung by a bee or get bit by a shark?
Get somebody beat or get bit by a shark.
Which one you want? Which one you rather get? You want to get bit by a shark or stung by a bee? They gotta see your face.
Never.
Which one?
None.
You gotta pick one.
No.
Alright, you can ask me a question. Go ahead.
Do you rather rathering around the town or do you rather eating French fries and chicken and the camera?
I'd rather eat
The
chicken.
camera or the microphone?
I'd rather eat chicken and microphone. My turn. Question. Do you love mommy or daddy?
Yep.
Me? You choose me?
Yeah.
You don't choose mommy?
No.
You sure?
Actually, you and mine.
Me and mommy?
Yeah.
Both of us?
Yeah.
That's who you love more, me or mommy?
Both.
Both? Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Whoa, you're me. Open
But it hit so hard he started blinking.
He's bleeding?
Blinking.
Oh.
But with the B.
Mm.
But don't the water that?
I'm okay. Another question. Do you like Iron Man or the Hulk? If you had to pick one, which one would it be?
The Hulk.
The Hulk?
Yeah.
Why?
because he smashes buildings. I want to be smashing buildings too. Like the Hulk and smashing the ground.
That's a good one. Okay, so
Yeah. Why?
Why?
Because if I break it, then if I break the ground, then it'll be concrete.
okay, another question.
And the cops can't get me.
The cops probably, yeah, they probably can't.
Why?
I don't know. You gonna be pounding the floor and running around?
Whoa.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, but then the baby grows.
Next question.
It's not one size fits all.
What?
Do you rather go to the beach or go to the pool?
To the whatever.
So whatever. Pick one, the beach or the pool.
Whatever. Eat it.
You took a bite, right?
No.
What? Did you?
No.
Oh, I ate my sandwich.
The kids saw what I was doing. What was I was doing? What?
Alright, here we go. Next question. You get mad for it.
No,
Alright, I'm
no.
done with you. I'm done with you. I'm not even asking questions, nothing.
Yum. It's so yummy, yum, 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 yum.
There's no fries. You get some. I was about to get some fries.
Sorry, Dad. That I wanted the
Two little fries. Man,
Sorry.
Chris, I don't think I'm gonna make it to the end. I'm already full.
No, no one gets this one. I will get it. Because I ate all the fries.
Eat it. You want dip?
No.
No.
I'm done.
Question. Last question.
Would you rather eating a tear or an eagle?
I'd rather eat an eagle than a chair.
An eagle? Why?
An eagle?
The eagle eat you. Eagles eat people.
Eagles eat people. All right, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a comment down below.
And
Any
you
other
eat
videos you want to see.
the snake.
And like we always say, you guys.
Be blessed.